Welcome back to Balabajis, my wonderful people. This story we want to on today, I beg the share. Southeast launch new security, especially in Anambra. Come here wetin dey happen o. They say that those security wey dey launch now, na inside bush those men dey stay. Any Biafra Liberation Army wey dey see o, ESN o, he say that person don enter for inside wahala. Listen, I go play you the voice note and the video make you watch. And I go play you another video wey Adade Oramma talk for inside this video. You get wetin talk, but many people don come outside come talk say this woman, hey, be like say na too much e get o. I go play the video make you watch before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
You people can see that new created security outfit, the new created security outfit, DSS, military, and whatever that they just created, and also away the million or something like that. You see what they do? Their work is to dive inside bush. So anybody that have the appropriate authority, the appropriate link to our Biafran forces, Biafran resistant fighter, Biafran Liberation Army, anybody that have appropriate link have to send this video to them and indicate them how these people hide inside bush and wait for them, so that if they're operating, they make sure that they are very careful and very vigilant, because this new security outfits in which they created in Olo or Swawi, their mood of oppression, their mood of oppression, they have known the road, the road or the road in which our forces operate. Then we'll go and dive inside bush, ambush them if they are coming. But I'm not sure that the person they kill or these people they attack is Biafran resistant fighter or Biafran Liberation Army or Biafran Defense Force. I'm not sure. So what they do, they went and dive inside bush and they ambush them. So our Biafran security force have to be careful and take a precaution or security measure how they operate. That is why I forwarded this video in this platform. So anybody that have the appropriate link have to send it to our Biafran Liberation Army, Biafran Defense Forces. Thanks so much.
Umunna nwere ife njibia just enwe 10 minutes, sika nwere even 9 minutes. Sika nwere the 9 minutes awe buono okwu. Ihe nji wee bịa n'ụtụtụ awụ ihe gbasara our gallant men. Our gallant men. Ndị ahụ our gallant men, ndị ahụ anyị na-anụ afafa. Ndị ahụ anyị na-eto, ndị ahụ na-agụ n'egwu, ndị ahụ na-awa anụ afafa. Anyị na-asị yes, na anyị nwere gallant men. This gallant men and Nagono Igwe Butuzo number 1, the general of all general. Jidela Nibu, Jide Sieke. Since Igwe Butuzo, na General Gentle, now all these men, Kaiji Debu Bemba, Oha Wamela Ifa, Oha Wamela now, Nibo Juloi. And was him Obubuane Buai who this man. And the Muwa done them Benandegede. I'm a motum this man see where do loyal to Abatobie. And for the kind of sacrifice our gallant men mele. Mwabatobie. And these people I will all know fake. How? Because somebody be a sacrifice your own way. Nye family ye, nye ihe ni no nwe. Wele zi ofia we nwe melu no. Nke una no na ase ka agbobo so today. Igwe Butuzo, Umuazia, na all the generals. Ewele anywhere to learn to. He was the home. Ha no wine. Owe was the life of hanwe. Our Biafra land. The only hope Umuazia nwele wo ke nwete Biafra he nwele onwe ha. And anybody who na nwere ike iji ụmụazị a wee egwu egwu my enemy. Iji gwa gị eziokwu. Because anybody who na when ụmụazị a do one side, go see that na one day eye wele kwa anyị nwa na onwe anyị do one side. Eye wele ọnụ anyị lụrụ na this njem nwere onwe enweghị nobody will recognize it. Ọ ife nna afọ ya ọwụ eziokwu dị mma okwukwu. Now I nọ na critical time. Ekwesịghị ihe ndị tụ n'ọnwụ na ụmụazị a request any condition ọnwụ na fa enyere I support them. Any condition Igwe Butu ụzọ nyelu I support him 100%. Do you know why mmeji support ya? Wo etinyere my life. Ama m ihe m na-ejebiga. Ama m attack m na-enwe from left and right. Kwali na ndị ọzọ na-alahụ ụla. You know what even now for every day. Wole mazi ya ha nwa na onwe ha mụ nwe kwulu mba na afọ every blessed day. So to all na pack these guys one place, I will never be happy for any onye osokwa anya ụlọ. Oh mazi awundo ya control I ha ya control fa. Ihe ahụ hondo nọ na the ground ha nọ na anane ha furu ka ne na fo ha nọ na ahụ ya mgbo anyị n'obodo oyibo. Any condition ha nyere anyị we are going to obey the condition. Nye ihe ha chọrọ ka ha wee nwee ike protect our land. You can nobody can no mụnwa na onwe m enweghị ike mụnwa wa ada ndị mba na ndị egede enweghị anybody ọwụna na struggle a sacrifice the genuine na this is struggle. I pack other person one side. It can never happen. I want to do them and they get on. I could me yesterday. Oh, that day you go to go. Nanda against it, and there will be against it. Oh, that na a mecha unquire name. In Chopatam that na iwebu tuzo that no wele gan enye that guy and the kucha na here leech that information. Or it will never be well with anybody. We are in the critical condition. I don't care whoever you are. Biafra is donating money for these guys to protect how we protect our land. And you have that money 100%. Whether you like the what he name, whether you like him name, I don't care. Whether they I don't even care. Even the care do you walk far. Even nenu anya. Mo Biafra bia zielo. Amola zenke mewo. Mo Biafra bia zielo amola zenke mewo. Afranka modi yesu we will do sacrifice here for everything. And we have sacrifice we have me ofuma which the whole Biafra for handwork of these guys. Or we say the time I need room as mostly Ebulu genkele color or seba pueben cause our DOS a color seba, but I don't care. The only thing I care is protect our land. And those guys sacrifice their I told them this back and front to these boys. Because Biafras are bringing the money. All the Biafra they are bringing the money, I must say, and when I give you the favor, the Velegi. But I hear some Biafras name will take a use the gun, say all of them, special Butuzo. On the general, upon general, or to be like that. These guys will even one day, and I will never allow anybody when he kills these guys will is not possible. My own important because none even a butcher so much by and a boom as a secretary. You had a message house to house. They kidnap Hamana Hotel. They come and endanger Naba. We kidnap he didn't know that hotel yesterday night. Naba, Nabia State. Kidnap Hanime Hotel. Which distance I hear member but to be there. All that name go to war. So war, I don't care. We are fighting for one cause. Oh no, Genkela will tell Biafra. Let them bring up Biafra for me. I don't even care. But now I am based on their group. But I don't need when we came out it's sabotage. Yeah, I don't care. Because na this thing was the cancer affair. and the moment done them and take it down on your own nolo. I say, hey, and when you get walking potato, okay, kill a hapata, I don't after. Do it to know now that's truth. If you yes, I done them and take it. Kukwenya, Munga time. I lead with my own God and my own ancestors. They lead me. You don't name it. And that time I has some bido, Mwanka ne bido. I didn't bido, Mwanka bido. Now this is the time. The whole Biafra yes, Yebini, Joe, really is Igwe Butuzo. Are then taking care of these guys? We're going to ask our COS. As Igwe Butuzo taking care of, and they make it quite sure that Nenye Igwe Butuzo if you need with his guys. Some say venture. Vas-y, t'inquiète. Tu vas payer, hein? 1000 euros. Sinon, ça va? Ok. Because nobody can hold us hostage. I can never allow that. And the anything no one, oh, will end down in Halanya, will eme ife. Oh, will end down, I met to a casananda with the engine. Igwe Butuzo is the engine. Nobody will touch that guy. He is the general. I've been a United Nation. Obodon America. Obodon their state. Other 50 states. And the 50 states are head of head in Damiha. But I just say general now control the whole 50 states. Uno now. And I made you good, you don't for na be me here. And I made time. Igwe Butuzo and America can now go. America will 50 states. And that is 50 states, each state will their own general. How will ye? Abiazewe general, overall general. Igwe Butuzo is overall general. Obatobie wonye melieno. And we Biafra is solely a stamp. Anything on that overall general, Igwe Butuzo the quest. Hence, they protect my land. Because it's like that these people never protest. It's like an apple and kitten. I say, Anya, can one Biafra manifest here? Oh, you here for. And if you don't ask question, if you don't protest, what is going on? Mwa wo kunene ram make wisi ni ho na neme. Adi make wisi ni ho na neme. Eye mi ho na eye me recruit onda na recruit. Man Igwe Butuzo must to be made the man and the one. Yakameji believe ni na de ku about him. I don't believe it. Because my spirit as him believe. If my spirit simu believe, I believe him. Now, I will get up. And the man like the whole Biafrans get up and they ask question, what is going on? Where is Igwe Butuzo? Let us drag him out. Because Igwe Butuzo can never be alive. And the and I told the
okay, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC here where they bring up bunga news as it they happen. As you don't watch that video, but make try make it share them so that other people could get the information and know how it they happen for inside the countryside though, because you don't read for this last man. Share and comment.